the solution for this example, so the first part is relatively easy. We know that VAT will be calculated. So to start the calculation, we click equals. I'm going to say, please look at how much the sales amount was and multiply it by the VAT rate. So I'm going to click on the 14% here. I'm just going to enter that formula. Now the problem with this formula is if I want to copy it down, you'll see it gives me a 0. Why? Because it's taking the sales amount and it's multiplying it by the cell below. And the risk you have here is if I copy and paste it all the way down here, you'll see we get a crazy value here, value, because what it's saying is how can you multiply 37 times this word? And even worse, once we start looking at these formulas, they start multiplying 38 by 38. So this is clearly horribly wrong. So what we need to do is we know that this cell here should be F13 times H9. That one should be F14 times H9. So that must stay. So you could manually do this, but it's very time consuming. Or we could go to the first one and we tell Excel that no matter where I move you, this second reference must always refer to column H. And I'll put a $sign there. And I'm going to put another $sign there by the 9 and click enter. When I copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V, you'll see what it now does is in each case it looks at the sales, multiplies it by the VAT rate. And if I go down, you'll notice that because of the $signs on the H9, it always looks over here. So this is a good way where we can create a formula once and copy it down and be confident that it's looking at the right areas.